Hello, thank you for joining me for some simple songs today. The first one sounds like this. Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies, ashes, ashes, we all fall down. It's a classic. Would you keep the beat with your spider fingers? They're silent on your legs while you listen again. Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies, ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Did you notice my spider fingers jumped off my legs and landed on the floor on the word down? That is because when you play this game and your feet walk instead of your spider fingers, on the word down, you fall to the ground. So let's practice with our spider fingers one more time, and then we will stand up and try it. Here we go, ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies, ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Very good. Now go ahead and stand up. And if you have someone else in the room with you, grab their hands and make a circle. If you don't, you can use my imaginary partner, Bob. He's available. I will let him dance with you today. There you go. Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies, ashes, ashes, we all fall down. You can do that song as many times as you like. Our next song is Frog in the Meadow. I would like to introduce you to this frog. This is a musical instrument. It sounds like this. If you close your eyes and listen, does it sound like a bullfrog outside? All right. Would you pick up your sticks, your finger sticks or your invisible sticks, and we will stir our frog in the meadow. Frog in the meadow, can't get him out. Take a little stick and stir him about. Stir him about. Could click together if that would help you. Frog in the meadow, can't get him out. Take a little stick and stir him about. What if you tap on your knees, then click on your fingers? Frog in the meadow, can't get him out. Take a little stick and stir him about. Now choose your favorite way, and we'll see if we can wake up the frog. Ready, go. Frog in the meadow, can't get him out. Take a little stick and stir him about. You woke him up. Thank you for waking him up. Our next song is Hop Old Squirrel. Have you been watching the squirrels? I encourage you to look out your window and spend some time. Find them. They're sneaky. They hide in the branches and then they jump from tree to tree. My dog likes to chase the squirrels. Does your dog? Do you have a dog? Oh my gosh. All right, let's sing. Hop, old squirrel, idle dum, hop, old squirrel, idle-dum-dee. Hop, old squirrel, idle-dum, hop, old squirrel, idle-dum-dee. Did you hear some words in there that don't sound like real words? Idle, dumb. They're just silly nonsense syllables. Let's hop again. We can use our spider fingers. Hop, old squirrel, idle-dum, hop, old squirrel, idle-dum-dee. Hop, old squirrel, idle-dum, hop, old squirrel, idle-dum-dee. Now instead of my spider fingers, I'm going to use mallets hopping on the bars. You may hop like the squirrels, or you may hop like my mallets, whichever you want to do. Here we go, hop, old squirrel, idle-dum, was thinking, do you have any other animals that might like to hop in this song? I don't have any squirrels in my house, but I do have this green frog. He might like to hop, 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 hop. Hop, green frog, idle dum, hop, green frog, idle dum dee. Hop, green frog, idle dum, hop, green frog, idle dum dee. If you want to pause the video and go find something to hop, you can. I'll wait. Are you back? Okay. I have Hey Hey. I thought Hey Hey might like to hop. Or flap. Nah, hop. Here we go. Hop, hey, hey. Idle dum, hop, hey, hey. Idle dum dee. Hop, hey, hey. Idle dum, hop, hey, hey. Idle dum dee. And he just hopped from one knee to the other. Oh, Hey Hey fell down. Would you hop your animal from one knee to the other? And I will accompany you on my barred instrument. Here we go, hop. Idle dum, hop. Idle dum dee, hop. Idle dum, hop. Idle dum dee. Go ahead and practice that with all your stuffed animals. Have a great day.